Finally, a very calm day in Mannedorf. It was supposed to rain, and I finally got my ESC calibration completed. So it has a little bit more thrust, and on first throw without any wind, it took off. But I still feel that it's underpowered. I think it can use a little bit bigger motor, um, actually a little bit low kV and bigger prop. Most likely will do it. But anyway. So, a very calm day, evening in Mannedorf, beautiful cloudy sky and greenery everywhere that as far as you can see. For a Californian at this time of the year, it's kind of a weird to see so much greenery, but that's okay because I'm in Switzerland. And this is my hotel right there, right below that I'm staying at. It's called Boulder, and it's a very nice hotel, beautiful view. That's why I picked this place. And the OSD, I'm flying fly-by-wire. And as you can see, it's a Carex Vista that I have it installed in this Zot Dart 250, 250 gram plane. Tiny little chingadera, I guess. Um, what else I can tell you? I definitely wanted to stay away from that forest that you see on the left-hand side because if something happened, I don't want to go looking for my plane on a treetop. So I kind of stayed away from that area and I didn't go too far. I wasn't doing any long range flight or anything. I just wanted to be make sure that the plane is flying good because my plan is to actually take this plane and some quads to the mountains, the real mountains, not these little hills. So yeah, that's what I was trying to figure out and test and get a little bit acquainted with the plane because it had only, I would say, three flights, one in California just the day before when I was leaving, and this is the fourth flight, I believe. Yeah, here. So yeah, you see that big pile of dirt? Kind of missed it, but you'll see it again. That's my landmark when I turn back because sometimes you cannot see those cranes and everything kind of blend together. Everything looks the same. So you got to have a landmark that you can go to. Or this forest was my another landmark, but then this forest could be deceiving because there's another one over there. So you want to make sure that you have a good landmark that you can spot. I mean, I do have a OSD, as I said, and I have inserted some videos of the OSD as well. But Ardu Pilot always return to home works out of the box, so I had no doubt about it. And I already had tested that anyway. What else I can tell you? So in this flight, I also tested the acro mode. That's gonna come pretty soon. Yeah, see that triangular dirt down below? That's what I was talking about because I'm standing right across from there. So that's how I know from the air I can see it and spot which direction to go. Um, what else I can tell you? One thing is kind of bothering me, and I don't know if I want to do this at this point, is should I reduce my P gains, like the PID tuning? Because even though there was no wind, the plane was still kind of shaking. So, yeah, that's what I was thinking about if I should do this. So, this is an acro mode. You can see the OSD. And not a big fan of acro mode in planes. Um, I think I would rather actually increase the fly-by-wire limits from 45 to maybe 50 or 60 um, on pitch and roll, and that might give me a little bit more, turning radius and stuff. Um, but if you're doing acro mode, because I figured I might need acro mode on the mountains if I want to do some dives and stuff because the fly-by-wire will limit you. The other thing, if you notice on the OSD 1.67 or 8, that amperage that is reading, I think that value is incorrect. I believe the ADC analog to digital converter needs some calibration, or maybe the pin is not set up correctly. I have to read a little bit on Arduino page what I need to do to get it fixed, or maybe I need to calibrate the amperage. There is a method how to calibrate the ADC converter as well. So yeah, that forest, I want to stay away from it. Don't like it. I don't like trees. I hate trees. I had so many mishaps with the trees that I just want to stay away. Mountains are good. Mountains are okay. So this is trying to lose some altitude. Gotta watch out for those wires, those telephone wires. And you guys probably can't see it on YouTube, but they're there. So this is the final approach, and the glide ratio is pretty good actually on this plane. I flew one time with goggles off, and I cut the throttle, and this thing came in and had a pretty decent glide ratio. It didn't just drop. So you kind of have to push it down when the motor is completely off. So yeah, you can see the ADC is reading 1.69. So that's wrong. I gotta fix that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video.